This chocolate chip banana bread is light and fluffy, perfectly moist, and it has that delectable blend of banana and chocolate flavors. The recipe is so simple and easy that we can make this delicious moist banana bread batter in less than 10 minutes. So let's see how to make this wonderful chocolate chip banana bread in an easy one bowl method. So let's start by preparing our baking pan. As my baking pan is not non-sticky, I'm smearing some butter inside the pan so that it will be easy for us to remove the bread after baking. As the next step, let's prepare our flour mix. Combine the baking powder, baking soda, and salt with the flour, and mix everything together and make sure all our ingredients are evenly distributed in the flour. Now take a medium bowl and we are going to add in all our ingredients into this bowl and mix everything together to form a batter. It's that easy to make our banana bread batter, and to make this banana bread we use very ripe bananas which have a beautiful aroma and flavor on its own and which can be mashed up easily. We can use 2 large or 3 medium sized bananas and mash the bananas using a fork and make sure there are no big chunks of bananas, and the number of bananas may differ according to the size of bananas, but we should keep in our mind that to get best and moist banana bread we should use approximately 1.5 cups of mashed bananas in this recipe. Now add the melted butter which is at room temperature, and then add the sugar. Here I've used part of sugar as brown sugar which can give a nice caramel flavor which goes pretty well with this banana bread recipe. But if you don't have brown sugar you can use regular white sugar instead. I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of regular white sugar as well. As bananas are naturally rich in fructose, we don't need to add much sugar in this recipe. Add in the yogurt and then adding 2 eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mix everything together until we get a homogeneous mixture. And now it's time to add the dry ingredients into this. So add in the flour mix into this. And now mix the wet and the dry ingredients together. While combining them together, take care not to overmix the batter after adding flour, which can result in more gluten strands, which can make our banana bread tough and rubbery. So while mixing, our objective should be to combine everything together so that there won't be any trace of dry flour in the batter by using the least number of folds that we can make. If we make the batter in this gentle way, our banana bread will turn soft, light and fluffy. Now it's time to add the chocolate chips into our cake batter. Reserve a few chocolate chips so that we can use it later to sprinkle on top. So our banana bread batter is now ready. Let's transfer this onto our prepared baking pan. And sprinkle the top of batter with the chocolate chips to make it more appealing to your eyes when they come out of the oven. So our cake batter is now ready to go into the oven. So bake at 325 Fahrenheit preheated oven for 70 to 75 minutes. This banana bread recipe is just perfect. Even though we use very little leavening agents, our banana bread has risen beautifully as we have all the other ingredients in the right proportion. And after baking, we'll get that beautiful chocolate colored banana bread with that soft chocolate chips in between. And let the cake sit and cool down in the pan itself for 10 to 15 minutes, and then take it out of the pan and let it finish cooling on a cooling rack. And this is one of the best banana breads I've ever had. I love the texture of this bread. It's so soft, fluffy, and moist, and it's not overly sweet, and it's so easy to make it at home. I hope you liked this recipe. I hope you found it helpful. Hope you will make this at home, and please let me know how it turned out for you. And if you like this video, please give your valuable thumbs up, and please don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family, and please write to me your valuable comments. And thank you so much for your love and support, and thanks for watching this video, and see you next time.